If there's one brand in the entire hi-fi audio world that everybody truly appreciates and admires, then that is Marantz. We all know that how it was born out of New York, but today is a Japanese company, and Saul Marantz, who is the brain behind this Marantz brand, has seen and perceived this brand as one of the most notable hi-fi audio component brand. Now, be it their amplifiers, AV receivers, hi-fi components, turntables, they have literally mastered in each and every space. The Sound Master is also something which is revolutionary in Marantz, and there are handful of these colleagues who have been able to really achieve the Sound Master title, which Marantz is known for in the market. Now, over the decades, they came across new products, new technologies, and finally, in the last 2-3 years, they have been working across one product which they wanted to create so that they can rebrand themselves in a best manner. Now, today, if you look at their social media handles, there's this product, that is the Marantz Horizon product, that they really talk a lot about. Even their logos are revolved around this design. So, the design philosophy that the Marantz has now introduced starts with this Grand Horizon and Horizon as a product. And today, we are going to talk about one of the most expensive premium single wireless speaker that is available on the planet Earth, which is the Marantz Grand Horizon speaker. So the first glimpse of the Marantz Grand Horizon or Horizon speakers will actually make you fall in love with this product, and it is really that beautiful. I mean, just look at it. The way the lighting is placed, the way the design of this entire product has been done, it's literally marvelous. The kind of technology that they have used is what we will definitely cover in the next few minutes, but just look at it. I mean, it is one of the best Wi-Fi speakers that I have actually unboxed in the recent times, and undoubtedly the price point is super crazy. The MRP of this product in the Indian market is 7,84,990, and I know you would have your own doubts, but we will come to it slowly. But 7,84,990 for the Grand Horizon speaker, which is right here in front of you. We were very honored to have this product as an unboxing part, which we did in our YouTube live. You can check it over here. And the younger brother of this Grand Horizon is just the Horizon speaker. Now that is priced around 5,39,900. Both the products use the same technology. Everything is same except the size and the number of drivers. For instance, in this speakers, you have got one tweeter on top, two drivers next to it which are of 3 inches. Then you have another two tweeters of 1 inch over here, along with two drivers of 3 inches. And these speakers, they try to cover the sound and give you a very nice room filling sound. Apart from that, there is this gravity driver, which is the woofers in this speaker in the front. It's actually covered behind this, so you would see it from the sides. Now, the Grand Horizon has got a 8 inches driver, whereas the Horizon has got 6.5 inches driver. The power output of Horizon is 310. This goes up to 370. Now, that's just the continuous power that we are talking about. The peak power is in the range of 800 watts. Honestly, the Horizons can work fantastic for small and medium sized rooms, and for large rooms, you can rely on the Grand Horizons. They can be used in pairs too. So if you want to buy two and use them in stereo, you can make one left and one right, and they can work more wonders in your space. And with regards to the connectivity, they have got each and every possible connection that is required in today's times. For instance, you want to connect it to a TV, well, you can do that by using HDMI ER as well as optical port. If you want to connect it to a turntable, you may need a phono preamp, but it has got the analog line inputs too. So connecting to a CD player will be very easy. Apart from that, it has got a USB port. So if you want to play built-in tracks from your hard drive or media players, you can again connect a USB drive to it and you're good to go. And with regards to the wireless connection, we have got the Bluetooth 5.4 version as well as AirPlay 2 and Wi-Fi support. Now all of this thing, apart from the HEOS app, is what comes along with this Marantz Grand Horizon speaker. There are three color options available in the Grand Horizon as well as the Horizon model. Now these colors are classically dark midnight sky, subtly bright moon ray, and iconically warm Marantz champagne. Each speaker also has a color accented natural marble base that matches the fabrics perfectly and adds more elegance to the design. Now I know many of you are already heading on to the comment section and craving about the prices, but hold on, let me give you a simple understanding of why Marantz has placed this product in the premium category, or rather one of the most premium category, and why does it really deserve to be one of the most go-to product for any audiophile. Well, first of all, if you've got extra money lying around in your bank account and you want to buy a car, which car would you buy? Would you buy a Toyota, or would you rather spend it on a premium car like a Porsche or a Ferrari? Now we all know driving Porsches and Ferraris on Indian roads is simply difficult, but we still want to own it so that we can flaunt it when we have it, or it is a good collectible item in our garage. Similarly, if you're a true audio enthusiast and if you believe that there can be a product which can be an audiophile's aspiration or a dream, then Marantz Horizon and the Grand Horizon speakers have positioned themselves exactly there. And they have got good justifications, which we are going to now discuss upon. The first one is the amplification that they have used. Now, in spite of having a long history in the amplification sector, be it power amplifiers, stereo amplifiers, network amplifiers, or even AV receivers, Marantz have went outside their comfort zone and created a new technology called RISE technology. And in this technology, instead of using MOSFETs, they have used GaN FETs. Now, GaN FET stands for gallium nitride, and these transistors are the next generation of trendsetters in the Marantz amplification. It quickly and accurately amplifies the audio signal for a superior listening experience. Some of the key points of the RISE amplification is that the GaN FETs are known for their thermal efficiency. It allows for significant power output with extreme less heat generation. Now, I'm pretty sure those of you who have used some other brand products, you know that how heated these small technologies and these small speakers can get. But with the benefit of GaN FETs, this product, even if you drive for 6 hours, is not going to get heated much. The second advantage of this GaN FET technology and the RISE amplification is fast response. This technology provides quick and accurate amplification of audio signals, leading to detailed sound reproduction. The other advantages of the RISE amplification is that it is extremely fast in the response and it has got extreme low distortion, giving you a much more cleaner sound from the speakers. The second reason for being one of the most expensive wireless speaker is the use of the gravity core driver, which is right here in the middle. Now the gravity core drivers ensure that you get again low distortion, but at the same time a room filling sound which is very warm and has got a good bass response. Now this speaker, for instance, can go down all the way up to 28 Hz and the Horizon can be in the 30 Hz. The third reason for being expensive is the Marantz Radiance 360-degree seamless fabric. Now this fabric is not like a normal fabric. This is actually made from ocean plastic waste, and Marantz believes that making or using this will make this product sustainable and it will hit people who are really looking for something which is more sustainable, environment friendly. And this fabric is extremely intricate. It ensures that the entire sound performance stays uncompromised, and at the same time the fabric is not loose enough for anybody to just peel it off. If you see, it is properly packed and tucked into all of these front and the back panels, so there's no way that this fabric can get accumulated or you can have dust sitting on top of it. And based upon the color, the entire fabric material remains the same, but the color changes along with it. Some of the other highlights of this product which really justifies the price is the lighting. Now these are not the normal lights, they actually have got proximity sensors built in. So whenever you come close to the speaker, the lights will start illuminating, as well as they have got two lights, one in the front, one at the back. Now the one at the back specifically has got a more better depth, especially when you have got wall right beside the speaker, and it brings a nice depth when you look at the speaker. The coolest feature that I loved about this speaker is the lights. There are total 100 LED lights inside this volume ring, and the beauty is you touch anywhere, you will see that the volume will go to that level. Now this, unlike other speakers wherein you have to keep pressing the plus button or you have to keep playing with the fingers, you just simply touch it for a second and you will see the light reaching that particular level. Now that becomes really like a talking point when you have these kind of speakers in your living and drawing spaces. Now some of the common products that I've seen people compare Grand Horizon to are the B&W Formation Duo and the Sonos Power Duettos. Now mind you, these are actually active 2-channel speakers which are meant for more serious audiophiles who want to have the left-right separation. Whereas this speaker is a single speaker and is really not competing in that particular category. So you would do it for the price, but believe me, as a brand, they are not positioning themselves in the two-channel active stereo space. They are talking about being a single speaker which can do the job of giving you the stereo sound. So the main competition for the Marantz Grand Horizon will come from the DVLA Phantoms, which we all have been seeing for a very, very long time. And we all know that how a premium product like DVLA has been positioned in the market. So that product can be a single wireless speaker, as well as you can create multi-channel setups with that speaker. And Marantz has got a more close competition with the DVLAs. The other brand which I also see very similar in terms of the design, sound quality, everything is the B&O speaker, and the B&O sound balance or the BO sound balance is, I believe, another product that has got a little close competition with the Grand Horizon speakers. Now, I have not tested them side by side, but I know one thing: B&Os are known for the sweet sound. DVLAs are known for their dynamic loud range, whereas Marantz stands right in the middle to justify the loudness or the crispness that you would get from the DVLAs, as well as bring in the soft music sense from the B&Os. Now that's the combination that you get with the Marantz Grand Horizon speakers, and specifically those of you who are really serious about enjoying a good speaker in your living room or drawing rooms that becomes the talk of the town, as well as gives you a nice room filling sound, are the ones who should actually consider this speaker in their spaces. And if you want to get the best deals on these products, don't forget to check the link that is shared in the description and in the comment section, because I, Tanmay Mehta, your home theater consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, will bring in some more such crazy products for each of you, and we will talk more about home theater in the coming videos. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's it from my end. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.